Have you ever wanted to change how your mouse cursor looks, the color, the size, and other attributes? What about your touchpad on your computer? There are many settings that you could choose to make your workflow go smoother. And in this short video, I will show you how to do just that. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. First thing you need to do is go and open the settings, go to accessibility, and you will see mouse pointer and touch. Go ahead and click. And when you get there, you can change the style. You can go with that. You can go with this one, another type, and the color. You can also just, if you want to, pick another color just like that. And you can change the size depending on your preferences. You can go all the way up here, just to give you an example, how big you can go. And then I can bring it down to about right here. This way I like it on this particular setting. Now, once you've completed that task, go ahead and scroll down to where it says touchpad. Click on it, and you can see here that you can activate it or you can turn it off depending on your preferences. Usually, if I'm using an external keyboard, I'll just leave it on. But if not, I usually turn it off because it sometimes activates when I'm trying to type. So I usually turn it off, but it's up. That's the choice is yours. And then you can also do other things such as increase the cursor speed. I usually leave it somewhere in the middle, and it should be good right there. Additionally, you can change other settings for the touchpad, such as taps. As you can see here, different things you can do. The scroll and zoom, 3-finger gestures, and of course, 4-finger. Usually, I don't bother with that, but if you do, these where you can find the settings. So as I said before, this video would be short. I showed you how to adjust your mouse settings and those settings for your touchpad. Please stay tuned for future videos on Windows 11 and other software.